What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're on the road today. I got Ryan's open trailer in the backpack there. We're cruising down the road and we're heading to look at a race car. So I found a car that is real similar to the one I bought from Zach. It's a hatchback, mid-90s or late, well, it's a Fox body, so 87 to 93. But it already has a mostly 25.5 chromoly cage in it. We'll go check this thing out, and if I can get it, if it looks like it's a very well done cage, I'm gonna go ahead and buy this thing, take it to the house, and that'll just save me some time and effort on putting a cage in the other car. Now the bad thing is this one was stock suspension, so it looks like I'm gonna have to, back half it, probably go 4-link. It may go ladder bar since I've already got the ladder bar stuff, but this cage is already done in it, so I don't know that the ladder bars will work as easy as what it was before. So check it out. We're going to check it out and see what we think about it. All right, guys, well, here it is. We went ahead and picked it up. It does look like it is a decently built chassis. It looks like a mix of chromoly and mild steel, depending on where you're at. But the main interior cage here, most of this stuff looks like it probably is chromoly. It all looks TIG welded up. It's missing a few bars to make it 25.5. It's going to have through the floor subframe connectors under here. And then, some gussets and stuff, a few bars. It does have a couple roof bars. It is a sunroof car, so I don't know how I'm going to like that. But, it seems like it's a decently well-built cage, so hopefully it's going to be fine. This will just get me a little further along in the process than doing the other cage. It looks like it's in good shape body-wise. There's a couple of dents and dings here and there. This stuff is already being gutted, pretty strong. And then back here in the back, they've got all this stuff. So this is most of this stuff back here looks like it's mild steel coming from the back. But I'm going to cut most of this out. And it's probably going to get, I don't know yet if it's going to get 4-link or if it's going to get the back half with the ladder bar. But we're going to decide. This car was running at some point, but all this is getting cut out on the floor. The bars I might be able to save, I'll cut right here and right down there, and then save this main part, and then when I get the back half stuff down, come down to it if it's in the right location, which it may not be. It may not be in the right location at all. And this was going to be a stock suspension car the way they had it previously, but that's just not going to work for me. So we're going to make it a back half car, 4-link car, some type of ladder bar. I don't know for sure yet, but I don't know. This is a nice starting point, guys. I am not unhappy with this at all. And so it's already got the factory floor, factory firewall. I'll cut all this stuff out up here. We'll put a aftermarket column in it, and then for the most part, I think we're going to be in good shape. We'll have to touch up a few welding spots here and there where a lot of these bars come to the front. But overall, I'll put some supports. I'll go probably from the inner cage to the outer strut right there too. But this car is not being wrecked. It looks like everything's nice and straight up here on the firewall. We'll change out the master cylinder and all that stuff. See, they've already got the brake delete kit. So this was a running car at some point. Somebody had it running and working. So this is it. So this is the new project. This is the new car. It's almost identical to the other car, with the exception of this one's already got a cage in it. So here we go, guys. So hopefully it works out. This is the winter project, so it's going to be hopefully very light. You can see they've already cut a bunch of stuff out of it back here in the back. We'll get to cutting a little bit more of that stuff off, and when this is all said and done, it's going to be a lightweight tin can. There's a lot of weight we can take out of the actual top around that sunroof stuff too. That's why you got a good cage in it, is so that if something happens, you're set. All right, guys, well, here we go. This is the new project car. Yay.